Today I'm going to be 3D printing a lacrosse head, and the filament I am using is Sunloose PA carbon fiber filament. It's going to be strong and durable, just like I need. The reason I'm not using PLA or PETG is because they're going to be too brittle for this print, and I'm not using TPU because it's going to be too flexy. So I don't know about you guys, but I say let's print this thing. This model from Printables. Thank you so much, Ethan Miller. I'm going to be using your model today, and we'll see how it turns out. So I'm going to download it first, and let's go to Bamboo Studios to print this. Okay. And look, it's here. So we needed it to be at an angle, or to print it, because my printer is not the biggest, so it just needs a slight angle so I can print it, you know? So let's do that. Let's make it a little more down for that angle. And oops. Okay, so it looks like it needs to be more towards me. And perfect. Now let's change the filament to our PF, and it looks like it's not totally in. Let's see. Can it be arranged? Ooh, look, it fits just barely. It looks like it wants us to add supports. I don't want to do that, but it looks like we're going to have to on this one. Okay, so supports, enable, and let's see. Or will they be generated? Okay, so far so good. It's just loading. Okay, it looks like, holy moly, bro. The support. I mean, it looks good. I think I'm going to print it like this with all those supports. I mean, it's not that long, 8 hours, and only 128 grams. That's not that bad. I say we click print. PA requires printing in high temperature environments. Reminder to close the door if not already closed. Okay, yeah, I always close the door. Auto, and do you think I should send it? Yeah. Look, he based this lacrosse head after a Nike head, which is nice, because Nike heads are okay. It's sending, and let's see. 75%, 100. Let's go. It's printing. Well, let's watch it. Done 3D printing now, and it has a bunch of supports that we don't want it on. Next time you see me, they'll be all off. I'm done taking off all the supports. It looks pretty good. I didn't get them all. I used a Dremel and took some off. I think it looks really good. If I see any more, I'll just take it off as I go. I think it's ready to be strung, so I got some shark mesh string, and I think it's going to look pretty good. It's from Amazon for $16. It's pretty good, and I'm going to see. I've never strung a 3D printed head before, so it's going to put my skills to the test. So let's go. We're done stringing the pocket. Me and my friends did this, Ollie and Gabe. They're really good at stringing lacrosse sticks, and I had them help me. I think let's go test out our stringing and how strong the carbon fiber filament is. So I say let's go outside. It turned out great. The head is holding up strong. The mesh is really good and soft. And I think we play some wall ball with it. It's holding up really good. It has just the right amount of width for me. The face shape is like my other attack head because I play attack. And I think it's really good. I mean, if you want to 3D print it yourself, I'll link the file down below. And thank you for watching.